What's up, Cards Nation? You guys ready? Who's excited? 2020 Donruss Racing. There's the Bubba Wallace we pulled. Here is the Austin Dillon relic we pulled. The Memorabilia card we pulled from the last pack. Who's excited? Who do you guys have as your winner today? Who is taking that checkered flag? Which one are we going to open first today, guys? Line them up for you. Let's get Bubba over here. Put Bubba back there. Alright, what pack are we opening first? Bottom right. Who do you guys have? Who do you want to win today? You guys make picks? Bottom right, boys. Let's go. I'm so excited. I got the NASCAR race on in the background. First pack, guys. 2020 Donruss Racing from the Hobby Box. Morgan Shepherd, fire. Morgan Shepherd's first race in his NASCAR career came in 1970. Wow. We got a Bubba Wallace. Again, another fire card. In the Bojangles 2019 Southern 500 at Darlington, Bubba Wallace honored the late Adam Petty. Wow. Fire card, guys, huh? Go ahead and start sleeving these. My hands are like so... I have like sweaty hands, so when I go to put these cards in, they just like don't work. Oh wow. Boys, Harrison Burton. Oh, I already tell this is a fire pack. Whoo! We got a Matt Kenseth. Donruss 2020. What number is this? It's out of 199. I think it's number 8. Number 98 out of 199. Woo! Boys, Matt Kenseth. Already owning a career full of highlights, Matt Kenseth made sure to add some more in his last season. Wow. From Cambridge. How fire is this? Number 84 card. You guys got Matt Kenseth as your winner today? Alright, who else we got? Oh, boys, we got a retro Chase Elliott. Retro series. You see that? So look for the Hobby Box, the holographic, cracked ice, and the explosion parallels. Woo! Boys, oh boy, oh boy. Chase Elliott, how fire. Every driver wants to start the NASCAR Cup Series on a high note. Naturally, with 16 drivers competing to advance in the first round, not everyone can succeed. Chase Elliott rose up to the challenge in 2019, starting out by leading 12 laps and taking fourth in the South Point 400 at Las Vegas. Number R7. Retro Series Chase Elliott. How fire. What's up? What's up? Hey guys. What's up, Matt O'Connell? I don't know if your name's Matt, but I just said that. What's up, M. O'Connell? We just pulled a Matt Kenseth, number 98 out of 199. Number 84 card. A Retro Series Chase Elliott. A Bubba Wallace. Different Bubba Wallace. This is the Bubba Wallace car. Here's the Bubba Wallace we pulled from the last pack. So already getting off to a fire day. We got the Harrison Burton, the Morgan Shepherd. Sleeve these guys up. How you guys doing today? I haven't even checked the race. What's up? How you guys doing? How's the race looking? All right, we're not on yet. Harrison Burton. All right, we got the Morgan Shepherd. We're gonna sleeve up. I need to get some top loaders because these are just not my favorite. We got an Optic John Hunter Nemechek. Wow. Boys. Let's sleeve this one up before we even tell you what's on the back. Yeah, see my hands get sweaty and I just mess with the sleeve. In February 2019, John Hunter Nemechek took NASCAR Series Xfinity to the track at Daytona for the first time. It didn't look like he was new to this place. From Mooresville, North Carolina, the racer wheeled his number 23 Chevrolet Camaro SS to an 8th place run. Optic. John Hunter Nemechek. What's up, Spiegel? Hello? How you guys doing? We just put an Optic John Hunter Nemechek. We pulled a Morgan Shepherd. What's up, Spiegel? Let me wave at you. And we pulled a... Let's see, we pulled a Matt Kenseth Donruss 2020, number 98 out of 199. We pulled a Retro Series Chase Elliott. Ready to watch NASCAR? Hell yeah. Does the lighting look good? It looks kind of dark. We got a Bubba Wallace. We pulled from the last pack. This wasn't today. And then we got Bubba Wallace we pulled today. Fire. All right, boys. What we pulling? Oh, we got another mark written. Wow. Fire. Oh, I think it's in a crying emoji. Mark Martin. Another Viagra card. The first driver Roush Racing put on a NASCAR Series track. Wow. Another Chase Elliott. And I just showed my NASCAR code.